This video is not inside. Not inside your room, or not inside your room, sir. Colin, you there? No, you're not there. You're not there. No, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
Why are you snapping me?
I'm not. So, you see my room? Has it been past inspection?
Your room?
My room, you see my room? What happens? Is it against health and safety, sir? Against health and safety? Health and safety? Because I got assaulted by Jeffrey. I got assaulted by Nesbitt last night. Member staff. If you hadn't come in, they'd have assaulted me with that Hoover, further assaulted me. This is what happens when I get assaulted. Now, does that pass inspection? Now, if health and safety was to descend, health and safety, unannounced, you'd get a big fine, would you not? Because it's not my fault. You're breaking health and safety. That's why you inspect the rooms. Inspect the rooms, sir. That's why you inspect the rooms. You know why? Because if we don't pass health and safety, you get a big fine. If we don't keep them clean, you kick us out. We get warnings. A first warning, a second warning, then a written warning, and then you kick us out. We can't keep it clean. We're responsible to keep it clean. And if we don't keep it clean, health and safety, you get a big fine, do you not? Yeah. It's breaking fire hazard. That could go up in smoke. That could go. You could all die in a fire, sir. Yes? Yes, what? It's not tidy, it was tidy, I tidied it all up, but then I got assaulted by Jeffrey, which when Tim assaulted me, I was told all incidents have to be reported to the police. No, look, please, get out of it, I'm not recording.
Yeah, I'm alright, sir. Alright, sir. It's not good when your mother doesn't love you. It's not good when your mother...
Yes, I recorded you, yes, I did record you. I was worried about getting assaulted by you. I did record you. I'm recording you, sir. But I'm worried about getting assaulted by you, sir. I recorded you. Yes, I did. Worried about getting assaulted by you. I recorded you. Yes, I did.
Yeah, the bloke said just then come out of the neighbourhood to my mum's. Alright, buddy. Well, buddy Holly, that'll be the day you die. The bloke said to me, coming out of my mum's neighbour. Alright, buddy. Well, you know, alright, buddy. Alright, buddy.